Aloha!
Good morning, Junior Surf Riders. I'm Maddie, and today is Friday, October 17th, 2025.
I'm James, and we have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Maddie has her first story about a recent field trip.
This week, we are featuring two of our KIS CTE elective courses. CTE means Career and Technical Education. On October 2nd, more than 100 KIS students from Miss Leaha's engineering classes attended the X-STEM Hawaii Workshop 2025 at the Blaisdell Exhibition Hall in Honolulu. Students from around the island learned about different STEM careers here in Hawaii, such as shipbuilding and maintenance, welding, 3D printing, and engineering. The best part of the day was talking with knowledgeable professionals and getting to participate in the hands-on workshops and activities. Thank you very much to our dedicated teachers for arranging these wonderful field trips so we can connect classroom learning to real-life career opportunities. Mahalo again. Next, James has the results from Sports Day, held before we went on fall break.
That's right, Maddie. Let's see who our winners are from the Sports Day. For the dice guessing game, congratulations to the following students who correctly guessed that there were 150 dice in the jar. They have won the prize for their entire advisory class. For 7th grade, Alize from Miss Cooper's class. For 8th grade, Bella and Sophia from Miss Stewart's class. Eliana from Mr. Wood's class. Cadence from Mrs. Connie's class. And Lexi from Miss Scales' class. Congratulations to the following teams who won the sports competitions. The 7th grade cornhole winners are Ho'oulu 4. The 8th grade winners are Mr. Denmark and Micah. The 8th grade spikeball winners are Kupa'a 3. And finally, the 7th grade dodgeball winners are Apapane 1 and 8th graders Mana 2. Congrats again to all our Sports Day winners. Next, Maddie has info for an upcoming new event next week.
Thanks, James. On Wednesday, October 22nd, we'll be celebrating Unity Day to support kindness and acceptance and rise up against bullying. Wear something that has orange or orange accents like shirts, blouses, hoodies, pants, shorts, skirts, shoes, or accessories like socks, shoelaces, headbands, necklaces, bracelets, scarves, ribbons, and scrunchies. But remember, you must still follow the school dress code rules.
Next is a big event this month. Join us for the Halloween Bash on Friday, October 24th from 5 to 7 p.m. at school. There will be a trunk or treat, a scary haunted house, music, and dancing. There will also be food and drinks for sale, for cash only. All kids must come with an adult. Wearing costumes is encouraged, and please no real or fake weapons. It will be wicked, so don't miss it. Now here's Maddie with lunch.
Thanks, James. Today's calf duty is Miss Love's Period 6. Lunch for today will be roast turkey with gravy, mashed potatoes, roasted zucchini, bread roll, and fresh fruit. Now to James with the weather.
Today's weather will be partly cloudy with a few windward and Malca showers. Highs will be in the low 80s and the lows in the mid 70s. That's all for now. Mahalo for watching the short report.
Make it a great day, KIS.
Ahui ho.